polynomials with special products of advanced level, that is under group 2. Under group 2 we are going to utilize the special products of case a cube plus b cube, that is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, and as well as the other one, that is a cube minus b cube, that is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So here, while finding the multiplication of certain polynomials, we will utilize the special products. Here in this case we are using the special products of group 2, in which there are of a cube plus b cube and as well as a cube minus b cube. So here the special products which we are going to utilize are of group 2. Under this group 2, one is a cube plus b cube, the first one, which is a cube plus b cube, which is equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. This is the first one, and whereas the second one is of a cube minus b cube, which is equals to a minus b. In the first case a plus b, we wrote it as a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. When plus occurs in the between a and b, so you are getting minus ab in this case, whereas minus is occurring in between a and b, so here a minus b into a square. So here plus, whether it is, if it is of minus sign, we will be getting here plus ab plus b square. First of all, let us prove these two conditions. Then later let us perform few examples based upon these two special products while finding the product of the certain polynomials. So here the first case, that is a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So in this case the proof starts now. So algebraical proof, we are going to prove it algebraically, that is, so left hand side quantity is of a cube plus b cube and the right hand side quantity is of a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So it is of b square. So here I want to take, so here right hand side first of all, so here in this case the right hand side quantity is of, so here a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, which is the right hand side of the special product which is to be proved or which is to be derived. So here, so we have to find out the product of these two algebraical expressions, then that equals to, so second expression completely, that is a square minus ab plus b square must be multiplied with first of all a, then later with b. So here a is the first term of the first expression multiplying entirely with the second expression, that is a square minus ab plus b square. Then now second term of the first expression, that is b, multiplying with the entire expression, that is the second one, a square minus ab plus b square. Then now multiplying individually, a must be multiplied with a square, then later with ab, then later with b square. Similarly b with a square, b with ab and later with b square. So now the next logical step will be of a into a square is of a cube, because here the exponent is of 2, here the exponent will be 1. So here when we multiply, the bases are equal, then the exponent should be added up, 1 plus 2 is of 3 in this manner. So here minus, similarly we have to utilize the same principle. So a into ab, that is a into a is of a square, then now here b written as it is, then now plus a into b square is of ab square. So in this we have multiplied, in this manner we have multiplied second expression, that is a square minus ab plus b square with a, plus b into a square is nothing but b a square, then plus of minus is minus, b into ab is a, b into b is b square, then now plus of plus is plus, b into b square is of b cube. Then now, so that implies a square b, here also a square b is there, but a square b here it is of plus sign and here it is of minus sign, this will be gets cancelled. Then now here a b square is of positive, a b square is of negative, and these two will be gets cancelled. Then only just a cube and b cube with positive sign. So here last term, that is a plus b cube is left over. But By multiplying the right hand side quantities, that is a plus b, with a square minus ab plus b square, we got the expression as a cube plus b cube, which is nothing but the LHS to be proved. So here, which is nothing but the LHS. So here LHS. So we have started with RHS, then we reached the LHS. In this manner, RHS is equals to LHS, or in other words, so LHS quantity is equals to RHS quantity, that is a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So hence, so we proved that a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So under this, let us perform one example. So here example, that is under first one, that is the first special product utilizing under finding this multiplication of two polynomials. So here the example number 1 is of find the product of, or find the product of the polynomials that is 4a plus 3 into 16a square minus 12a plus 9. Now the solution starts, whereas in our solution the given polynomials are of, so your 4a plus 3 is of one polynomial, the other polynomial is of 16a square minus 12a plus 9. We have to find out the product of these polynomials. So here already just we have gone through one derivation or the proof of a special product. In order to find out the product of two polynomials, we have to utilize the special products of advanced level. So here the advanced level of special products are of these two. One is of a cube plus b cube, the other is of a cube minus b cube. So the problem which we are going to perform is under this type, that is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So we can utilize a cube plus b cube equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square special product. So here, so we can write it as, so here by utilizing, so but we know that a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, but right hand side quantity a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square is similar to the given problem, that is 4a plus 3 into 16a square minus 12a plus 9. We have to write 4a plus 3 into 16a square minus 12a plus 9 in the form of a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So we have to replace a by means of 4a and b by means of 3 in it. So here a special product, so I am going to block it. It can also be written as, in the reverse manner, that is a plus b, the same special product I am going to write the right hand side as LHS and LHS as RHS into a square minus ab plus b square. Right hand side totally I wrote on the left hand side, then it will be equal to a cube plus b cube. Then now the problem which is given to us is of, we have to find out the product of these two polynomials. Those were, so 4a plus 3 and into 16a square minus 12a plus 9. Here I am going to replace a by means of 4a and b by means of 3. Then now, so here replace a by means of 4a and this b by means of 3. Then 4a plus 3 into 16a square minus 12a plus 9 can also be written as 4a plus 3 into, we have to write in the form of a square. So here it is in the form of a plus b now. Then now 16a square minus 12a plus 9 must be written in the form of a square minus ab plus b square. A square, a value is of 4a whole square minus ab minus a value is of 4a into b value is of 3 plus b square, b is of 3, but it is of b square, so a whole square. Then now let us check up whether it is in the similar manner or not. So your 4a plus 3 is in the given first expression. The second polynomial is of 4a whole square, 4 4 16 and a square, 16a square, minus 4 3 is of 12 into a, 12a, plus 3 square is of 9. So it is in the form of a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Then that will be equated to a cube, that is a value is of 4a whole cube plus b is of 3. So here 3 cube. So we have utilized the special product of a cube plus b cube as a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Then now that implies, so here 4a plus 3 into 4a whole square, that is 4 square is of 16, 4 4 is of 16, 4 must be repeatedly multiplied twice, 4 4 is of 16 and here a square, minus 4 3 is of 12 into a is of 12a, plus 3 square is of 9 again. So here its result is nothing but 4a whole cube, 4 must be repeatedly multiplied thrice. So here 4 into 4 into 4. So 4 4 is of 16, 16 4 is of 64, and similarly 3 cube. So 3 must be repeatedly multiplied thrice. So 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is of 9, 9 3 is of 27. So here instead of 4 cube we can write it as 64. Instead of 3 cube we can write it as 27. So here 4 cube can be replaced by 64 and 3 cube can be replaced by 27. So now 4 cube is of 64, but a repeatedly multiplied thrice can be written as a cube, plus 3 cube is nothing but 27. So in this manner 4a plus 3 into 16a square minus 12a plus 9 is equals to 64a cube plus 27. Hence, so here hence the product of 4a plus 3 and 16a square minus 12a plus 9 is equals to, the result is of 64 a cube plus 27. 64 a cube plus 27 is the result. Similarly, let us go for the second one, second derivation.